everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and it is December 31st. It is the last day of 2019, and when I got off of work today, I went to 5 different Dollar Trees. Now, somebody else might think that's silly to celebrate that way, but it was just a fun shopping spree for me. In my back pocket, I had a Dollar Tree gift card, and I just went, my husband went with me, and we just had a fun afternoon, picked up some new things to show you. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to share these things in no particular order. I'm just going to take them out of the bags, and I'm going to put some pictures at the end of some things that I didn't purchase, but you might be interested at your Dollar Tree. So just to let you know, if you are still interested in Christmas merchandise, Dollar Tree has Christmas for 50% off. So I was able to get these pretty ornament sets. You get 15, and they had these white ornaments in them with the gold, and I wanted to try to use those for something, so I went ahead and picked those up, and it was 50 cents, so you know. And then they still had some of these cute stickers, so I picked those up. And I had not seen this cute coloring book, this adult coloring book. And, you know, it has this really intricate designs in it. So I picked that up. And let's see, a couple of things that I found for Valentine's. So it's just going to be mixed up. So they had these cute bath bombs for, you know, your sweetheart in the shape of a heart. It says grape scented and cherry scented, and they did have another couple of scents, but I only picked up 2. And then I did pick up one of these. I may have one from last year, but I have a craft in mine, a DIY, and I wanted to make sure I had it because I may try to get it done here by the weekend. So wanted to pick that up since I was there. Now, we had talked about doing, or I had talked about doing another, you know, daily where I keep track of just one memory a day. And I showed you in my live video yesterday how far I've come along with my December one. I need to do a couple more pages, probably about 10 actually. But I need to do some more pages in there. And it turned out so cute. And it was so easy for me to just do one memory a day. And if I took a picture of it, it was easy to help me remember. So I picked up a Dollar Tree binder, but you don't have to do that. I'm going to also show you how to make one of these, you know, like daily journals. I'm going to show you multiple ways this year how to make journals, but I did want to pick this up because it's so much easier, and it's already put together, and it has the rings in it and everything. So $1. All right, I'm going to keep going and just show you some things that I found. Now, they did have conversation hearts. I only can eat that until I think I'm going to be doing like a fast starting the 6th. So anyway, no sugar. So I guess I'm going to have to eat all this sugar before then. But anyway, look what I found in Oklahoma. Bill, if you're watching, Tasty Cakes. Tasty Cakes. They had a whole section of it, and they had honey buns and like apple pies, cherry pies, different ones. And so I've put a picture in here because I did take one because I wanted Bill to know for sure that they had Tasty Cakes. Now, I know that others have been posting about the Cake Boss merchandise at Dollar Tree. This is the first thing that I have found at our Dollar Tree. So either I totally missed them, or you know, I don't know what happened. But anyway, this is an icing spatula, and it is Cake Boss, and it is so cool, and it's really nice. And I don't know, lately I've been watching the, like, catching the Cup Wars or the Holiday Sugar Rush or whatever, and those have been really fun to watch. It made me want to bake, and then also it made me hungry for sugar, which is probably not a good thing right now. Anyway, okay, so they do have Valentine's merchandise coming out. I got this deco mesh, and somebody asked about making wreaths, so we are going to be doing that. We're going to make all kinds of different wreaths this year, not all in one week, of course, but we're going to do that, and it's going to be a lot of fun this year. We have a lot of fun things going on. Now, one thing that I did find, which is really fun for Valentine's Day, are these Whitman chocolate bars with Snoopy on them and Charlie Brown and gang. So I did go ahead and get those because they will disappear, you know, like we won't have them around. Another thing that I found was a cute collection of makeup and different things for Valentine's. So like these are all in heart shapes. So if you wanted to do a little gift basket for someone that you care about and give them some lip balm and some, you know, like glosses and maybe some powders or whatever. They have all kinds of cool things. I don't know if they had powder, but you know, Dollar Tree does carry that. But all kinds of makeup and, you know, different things like that. So I did get the lip balm, but I'll show you that in just a second because it's in one of these bags. And as I said, it's just how it came out. Now, I was at a different store and found these really cute dish towels, and I love the colors and this kind of chevron heart. It's like a chevron, but yet it's kind of like a heart. Do you see it in there? Do you kind of see it? Anyway, I love these, and you know, we go through dish towels a lot, so I don't mind buying new dish towels every so often, right? Okay, let me get some more. Okay, guys and gals, this is so cute. I love this truck, and even if you didn't want to use it for Valentine's Day, you have the outline to use for other things. But I love how the hearts are coming out of the back of the truck, and look at the hearts on the wheels. So anyway, really cute. Wanted you to know that it was there. All right, so they do have the little burlap bags with the hearts on it. You get 3, and they have these ice cube trays. But since they're silicone, I'm thinking of using it to do chocolates. So cute, cute, cute. Then look what else they had. Now, did they have these last year? These are fortune cookies, and they have a little fortune in them, and you get 10. And I thought these would be so cute to give to someone that you care about. Oh, here is the heart-shaped lip balm, and they also have the lip-shaped lip balm too. This one is scented rosy, so I'm not going to open it right now, but it's by New Color. All right, they had some little books, and they had these they're kind of a card book, and it says I love numbers, and it has all the numbers on here, and then it says 1 love letter, 2 Eskimo kissing. So it's just kind of a fun little book, and it's in a heart shape, and it just says 8 little presents, and then the last one is 10 pieces of chocolate, and it's just really cute, and I love the presentation of it, so got that. All right, they do have sweet tarts. Like I haven't had enough chocolate, right? Okay, peanut Band-Aids. You've probably seen those before. All right, how many people have seen this on TV? The egglets. It's hard-boiled eggs without the shell. And I wanted to try it, but I didn't want to pay, you know, $19.99 or $15.99. But for $1, I will try it. So what I will do is I'll give it a try. We'll do a try, and I will put it on YouTube, and we'll see. We'll do a product test on this. So look for that. And they had a lot of them at the store right now, so I don't know. Okay, so how many of you have seen this cute little plunger? This is a plunger for your sink. Is that the cutest thing ever? I don't know, but I just think it's adorable. And how useful is that? So anyway, they had different colors, and they have some cleaning things out, and storage containers coming out right now. So I did find this really cute one, and I'll show it to you, that almost looks like lace, around it. Isn't that cute? So we got that one, and you know what? I might go into a sugar coma with all this sugar. Anyway, okay. Napkins that I couldn't find before Christmas, and some white ones that I needed. All right. Then they had this cute tissue. Now maybe you've seen it, but I hadn't seen it. And it's all these little emojis and some yellow tissue to go with it. You get 10 sheets, and it's just adorable. All right. I don't know if you've seen this. I have not seen it at any other store, but I had to show it to you. All right, and we have to try it, gals and guys. This is a 3D wreath maker. Do you see that? It comes with the little connectors here, these connector rings, and there were 2 sizes, and if they've had them before, I have not seen them. But they have, this one is 14 inches, and this one is 10 inches. And we have to try it. So anyway, we're gonna be testing this out and see, because it all goes together, and then you can see how the shape is. Like, you've seen these at your Dollar Tree. I have not. Okay. Then they had these really cute little bows that they look like flowers, kind of, and they're real dainty, and they had different colors. They had about 5 different colors. And they've had some things similar to this before, and maybe they've had these and I just didn't notice them, but I just think they're just really beautiful. And there's all kinds of gifts that are coming up, and Easter and basket, and I picked the orange. It's almost a neon color, and they had yellow and purple. I don't think they had pink, or I didn't see it, and they may have had a green, but really cute, and you get 2 for $1. Okay, I have 2 more bags, so bear with me. This bottle you've seen before. We're gonna frost it and paint on it. We're gonna do the red, the green, and the white, and maybe a blue. So we're gonna test this out, and that's to be determined when we get to do that. But I went ahead and picked up the red since I found it, because I couldn't find the red. All right, so these are dried flowers I had not seen at the Dollar Tree, and they had a number of different kinds. And I think I took a picture, and I'll put it at the end. This one is more of a brownish black color with the backgrounds. It's really, really pretty. And then this one is a red, and they had different kinds of flowers too in the ones. These were the ones I liked. And then this one is more of a brown with a little, looks like acorns in there. But anyway, it's a dried flower arrangement for $1. Then I found these scalloped edge clear acrylic boxes, and they're just, well, they call them a container, but you know, like for parties and stuff, where people put like candies and treats in them. But I just love them, and I love that they're clear. So really great for organizing things that you just need to pull in and out, and you need to see what's in there. So I picked up a couple of those. I had not seen those before. All right, here we go. Last bag. It's right here, so I'm not going to pause the video. We're just going to jump right into it. So they did have heart bowls, and you just got to have a heart bowl at Valentine's. And then they had some pillows. Now at this particular Dollar Tree, they had a whole bunch of pillows right as you walk in at that one entrance. This one is No Drama Llama. Is that cute? And then this one is Sweet Dreams. Oh, and this one's printed on both sides. They had some feathers. They had love. They had some solids. But these are really cute and soft. And, you know, you just want to take a nap and put it right underneath your neck, you know, like where you want your pillow when you sleep. And it's just like almost perfect, right? Oh, I could take a nap. Oh, anyway, really, really, really cute little pillows. So check those out for $1. And they seem to be really well made too, so bonus. All right, so another DIY. I needed a piece of, I'm not going to tell you. I needed a plunger. Anyway, so you'll see. Then I had not seen this bingo game set. Now I've seen types of bingo game sets, but this one actually comes with the little little cage and with a place for you to show which ones that have been called. They're little bingo balls. So a couple more Christmas things that I did pick up. Some little books. There's 2 in here. And then this one, let's see, Night Before Christmas. Yes, Virginia, there's a Santa Claus and the Christmas Story. Beautiful. And look who is a busybody over here. Leo, what are you doing? Leo, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, well. Safety pins, they do have those there. And then let me show you these cute stickers that I found. Are you hanging with me here to the end? Okay. They had these cute, these are Crafter Square stickers. They are kind of the thicker sticker where they stand up. So they have these cute ones with sweets on it. They had the drinks with coffee and a milkshake and different things there. And then they had the foods with your taco and your hamburger, your pretzel, popcorn. Then they had the kitchen one, which we've seen one similar to this before, but not quite this many stickers. So cute. And then look at these cute, cute hearts this year. So really, really adorable. The these Crafter Square ones have 14 stickers, and this Valentine's has 11. Now, here is one more, well, 2 more actually, Valentine's things that I found that are so cute. This was Hug, Kiss, Love. I love the gingham. And then this one is Love You More. And this is something that I say with my son all the time, love you more. And so I am going to make sure I give that to him. But I think I may embellish it a little bit and put a picture of me and him inside the heart and sign it, Mom. So anyway, so those are at Dollar Tree right now. So run down and get them if you are interested. One last thing that I picked up was this cute shadow box type frame. It's has a lot of room in between the glass and the back. You can see the stars that are in there, but I love to make things with the shadow boxes, and so I went ahead and picked this up. This is about a 5x7-ish size frame, and so I went ahead and picked it up. One thing that I have learned at Dollar Tree, if you see something that you want, you might as well go ahead and get it, because it may not be there when you go back. And then you can go to so many different stores and maybe not find them. So if you've hung on to the end, know that there are some more pictures of more things at Dollar Tree coming up right after this. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I can't wait to do some DIYs with you. Happy New Year. I'm so excited. 2020 is almost here. So I wish you and your family a Happy New Year. May it be a blessed one this year, and that everything that you are hoping for will come to pass. So anyway, have a great night celebrating, and until next time, bye-bye.